So there's a lot of competition out there. So how to swipe the floor and look apart? The way I look at it is there is no competition. The way you need to look at it is that how can you provide so much to your customers? If it's a service-based business, your customers are going to love it. If you are, extra careful in providing them with the services. If you're a product-based business, then your product has to be so good. That's what you need to be focusing upon, right? And it's not going to happen that you're going to swipe up everybody in one single day. But what is going to happen is that you can keep on improving every single day. You can keep on optimizing your process every single day. So what your goal is that what are the processes in your company that is happening, in your product that is happening, and are you ready to improve upon it on a per day basis and never, settle down upon it? So we are not looking at anybody. We are not looking at the competition. I'm looking at myself and I'm looking at where can I improve. So when I'm looking at that, there's no competition at all.